Hey, good morning on this Sunday morning. Welcome to November. Welcome to Central Standard Time. I had two clocks in the bedroom that I forgot to change overnight, and all the rest of my clocks changed automatically. So hopefully you're on the right time this morning. We have a lot of weather to talk about. Big weather system not only over us now, but still the bulk of the rain is yet to come, and maybe some stronger storms. We need to talk about it. That's why I'm making this Sunday video a little bit earlier than usual. I thought you might want to see this little behind the scenes. How do I stay in touch with the weather to keep you in touch with the weather? I do it from my couch, and I do it on multi-screens. Take a look. So this first computer screen here is taking in all of the National Weather Service messages coast to coast, several a minute, but it's sorting out the ones that I want to see. That's the area forecast discussion. It'll pick out warnings and other important stuff that I want to see, and it'll give me a warning alarm when there's something I really need to know, like this. Yeah, my dog doesn't like that. She heard that several times yesterday. Tornado warnings coming out of Mississippi and Louisiana. There's the current radar displays. I've had 4/10 of an inch of rain since 4/100 since midnight, and about half an inch yesterday. National Weather Service chat on this screen. That's very important. That's the way the National Weather Service talks to the media and emergency managers. It's a two-way conversation. Very important. There's a radar display there showing storm total rainfall. But yeah, National Weather Service chat is a key element that I look at all day long and get very good information. In fact, a heads up on warnings too. There's a radar display, one of the radar displays on my iPad there, which I'm able to send out to you. So there you go, a multi-screen situation from my coffee table with my dog next to me on my couch. Meanwhile, current radar snapshot. This is before 6 o'clock this morning. You can see the rain heavy in southeast Alabama, where Dothan had actually about 3 inches of rain in 1 hour during the middle of the night. And you can see some more rain coming into southwest Alabama and off the coast. That's our future as we get ready for what could be a stormy and very wet day across the area. Current rainfall totals, this is storm total rainfall, indicates a swath of rain from about LaGrange, Georgia, over to Livingston, Alabama. You can see some places 2 and 3 inches of rain so far. Current weather map shows low pressure developing just south of Lake Charles, Louisiana. That's going to get some help. Now we're up at 20,000 feet. See the upper low in Texas. That's going to work in concert with the surface low and give it kind of a punch, if you will. 6 o'clock tonight, that surface low is in south central Louisiana. Thunderstorms getting really fired up by that hour. Marginal threat of severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center today for all of us south of the line from Demopolis to Lafayette. That is their lowest level alert, and also that includes a 2% tornado threat. That's their lowest level threshold. That's not zero, but I'm not particularly worried, but maybe a spin-up tornado or two. There were 8 tornado reports yesterday. That doesn't mean 8 tornadoes. It means 8 tornado reports, portions of Louisiana and South Mississippi. All right, radar snapshots. Future radar at noon today. Extensive rain covering much of the area. You can see that. I think the stronger storms come later. There's 5:30 in the afternoon. We're going to have to watch some of those cells. Not only the cells in West Alabama, but the ones out ahead of it as well. We'll be watching that closely. Midnight tonight, still some robust cells around central and south Alabama. A lot of rain in our future. How about tomorrow morning? Morning drive. Yeah, it looks like a lot of rain again. And still some pockets of heavier downpours, even to deal with tomorrow morning. Noon tomorrow, the low is around Tuscaloosa, Alabama, I should say. Most of the heavier rain is starting to leave the state, but some wraparound moisture. Total rainfall totals, oh my gosh, more than 3 inches, maybe a swath of 3-inch totals, 4-inch totals through central Alabama. That includes the Montgomery area. Don't take that literally. That's just a model idea of where the heaviest rain could be. Here's Wednesday, and I think most of next week is going to be warm and very dry across the area. Until we get to late week, there's another frontal system on Friday that could bring some scattered showers back into the area, and the showers could persist into next weekend. There's Saturday of next week before some cooler air arrives, but that's way out there. We'll focus on that later. High temperatures today, I think several days from the middle of the week on could be in the lower 80s at least, and then much cooler air coming in by Sunday and Monday of next week behind that next cold front. Here's my weather radio. Hopefully you have a weather radio, and hopefully you check the batteries on it. That's what you should do when the time changes. Always check the batteries on your weather radio and make sure it's on so that it can alert you if there's any warnings that happen today or any other day. And of course, I'll be updating you on Facebook and Twitter, and join my friends on television, my dear friends who will be keeping you up to date on this situation. I don't care how you get the information, just stay informed, not only today, but all the time. And I'll be back with your next video tomorrow morning, bright and early at 6 o'clock. Have a great day.
Rich Thomas Weather.